The National Electrical Code, referred to as NEC, does not specifically require support for conductors before landing on lugs. However, there are general rules that may apply. NEC 110.3b states electrical equipment shall be installed and used in a manner to minimize the likelihood of injury to persons or damage to property. NEC 300.14 states conductors shall be secured in a manner that will not cause damage or allow movement that could cause damage. While the NEC does not explicitly mandate conductor support, industry best practices and manufacturer recommendations typically recommend supporting conductors before landing on lugs. This is done firstly to reduce stress on the lugs. Heavy conductors can exert significant force on the lugs, potentially loosening them or damaging the connection. Secondly, to maintain proper bending radius. Supporting the conductors prevents them from sagging or bending excessively, which can weaken the conductors and compromise the connection. Thirdly, to ensure proper alignment. Supporting the conductors before landing on the lugs helps ensure that they are properly aligned with the lugs to minimize arcing and potential damage. When dealing with a specific case, it is important to verify manufacturer's recommendations. Consult the manufacturer's instructions for the equipment, like a transfer switch, to determine if they have specific requirements for conductor support. Assess potential damage. Evaluate if the unsupported conductors are likely to cause damage or pose a hazard, particularly considering the amperage involved. Consider industry best practices. Supporting the conductors before landing on the lugs is generally considered good practice to ensure a safe and reliable connection. If it is determined that conductor support is necessary, explore alternative methods that do not limit the bending radius of the conductors. For example, use a structured cable support system that provides support closer to the lugs. Consider using shorter conductor lengths to reduce the amount of unsupported cable. Negotiate to find a compromise that meets both safety concerns and the need for proper conductor handling.